This is my code. And this is my output. So doc type HTML declares that the document uses HTML5. Head contains the page title and CSS styles. Body displays the web page content. And inside the bodies, a division element is used to arrange the burger cards side by side. Each element contains an image of the burger name, the price, a short description, and add to cart button. So this is the image and this is the burger name and this is the description, and lastly the add to cart button. This code creates a simple burger product card web page using HTML and CSS. The HTML structures the page by displaying two burger cards, each containing an image, burger name, price, description, and add to cart button. The CSS styles the web page by adding a burger theme background, arranging the cards side by side using clickbox, applying a modern dark design with rounded corners, and creating a hover effect for the buttons. Overall, the code demonstrates how HTML and CSS work together to create an attractive and responsive product card layout.